Are you tired of low yield investments that barely keep up with inflation? Want to maximize your portfolio's income potential? Then you won't want to miss this video on the 7 best high yield Dividend Aristocrat stocks. These reliable blue chip companies have consistently increased their dividends for decades, providing steady income streams for investors. Get ready to boost your portfolio's income potential with these top dividend paying stocks. Before we get into our list of the 7 best high-yield Dividend Aristocrat stocks, it's probably important for you to understand what a Dividend Aristocrat is in the first place. In order to be considered a Dividend Aristocrat, a company must meet certain criteria, including being a member of the S&P 500 index, having 25 plus consecutive years of dividend increases, and meeting certain financial stability and performance standards. Dividend Aristocrats are often sought after by income investors because they provide a reliable source of income and can be a good addition to a diversified portfolio. With that said, let's get into this list. First on our list of the 7 best high-yield Dividend Aristocrats is Kimberly-Clark, ticker symbol KMB. Kimberly-Clark is a consumer goods company that produces personal care, healthcare, and consumer tissue products. They are known for brands such as Huggies, Kleenex, and Scott. Kimberly-Clark has a dividend yield of 3.37% and has increased its dividend for more than 47 consecutive years. It's pretty impressive. Here's now a look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid over the last couple of years. This company is well liked because they have a diversified product portfolio, meaning they have a well-diversified range of products that they manufacture. They also have strong brand recognition and a solid financial performance, as Kimberly-Clark has had consistent revenue and earnings growth over the years that has allowed them to return value to their shareholders. And this is done in the form of dividends and share repurchases. Finally, Kimberly-Clark is a consumer staples company, meaning they tend to be less affected by economic downturns, and people continue to purchase their everyday necessities like toilet paper and diapers regardless of the state of economy. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Clorox, ticker symbol CLX. Much like Kimberly-Clark, Clorox is a consumer goods company that produces a wide range of household and personal care products, including bleach, disinfecting wipes, and personal care items, and because of this, tend to be less affected by economic downturns. I think we've heard that already. They have a dividend yield of 3.28% and have increased their dividend for 40 consecutive years. Here's a look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid over the last couple of years. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of how their shareholders have been paid throughout the years. Third on our list is Novartis, ticker symbol NVS. Novartis is a pharmaceutical company that develops and manufactures a wide range of prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, and consumer health products. They have a dividend yield of 3.68% and have increased their dividend for 24 consecutive years. Here's a look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid over the last couple years. Novartis in particular has had a very competitive position in the pharmaceutical market and has a strong track record of innovation and growth. Fourth on our list is Fortis, ticker symbol FTS. Fortis is an electricity and natural gas utility company that serves over 3 million customers in Canada, the United States, and the Caribbean. They have a dividend yield of 4.11% and have increased their dividend yield for 44 consecutive years. Once again, here's a look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid last quarter and for the future quarter coming up. Fortis was included on the Dow Jones Sustainability World Index, recognizing its positive sustainability efforts and performance. They also have a diverse portfolio of assets, including regulated and non-regulated generation, transmission, and distribution assets. Fifth on our list is Northwest Natural Holdings, ticker symbol NWN. Northwest Natural Holdings is a natural gas utility company that serves customers in the Pacific Northwest region of the United States. They have a dividend yield of 3.98% and have increased their dividend for 19 consecutive years. Here's also a quick look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid over the last couple years. One thing to note with Northwest is that the stock value has decreased by almost 15% in the last 5 years. Investors can look at this in several ways, but it could be a good opportunity to own this company as they have had solid financial health and growth prospects, demonstrating its potential to outperform the market. Number 6 on our list is UGI Corp, ticker symbol UGI. UGI is a diversified energy company that operates in the United States and internationally. With headquarters in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, they have a dividend yield of 3.59% and have increased their dividend for 32 consecutive years. Here's a look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid over the last couple years. Like Northwest Natural Holdings, this company's stock price is down about 15% over the last 5 years. You may have heard of UGI's propane distribution subsidiary, AmeriGas. In addition to AmeriGas, UGI has subsidiaries that distribute propane in 17 European countries, giving it remarkable international reach. So needless to say, UGI is not just serving Pennsylvania. 7th and final on our list is 3M, that's ticker symbol MMM. 3M is a diversified technology company that produces a wide range of products including adhesives, abrasives, and consumer products. They have a dividend yield of 4.67% and have increased its dividend for 62 consecutive years. Here's a look at the cash quarterly dividend amount paid over the last couple years as well. What you really need to pay attention to is the fact that this stock is down almost 48% over the past 5 years, which for those who believe in their company might find 3M to be a very attractive buying point. 3M has over 60,000 products in their portfolio, with Scotch, Post-it, and Command as possibly the most notable to most people. So there you have it. This is our list of the 7 dividend aristocrats that are a great way to generate income and long-term wealth building. Many of these stocks have low valuations, strong financials, and a long history of increasing their dividend payments. We have discussed 7 such stocks that offer a great opportunity for long-term investors. With a diversified portfolio of dividend aristocrats, investors can be sure of a steady stream of income and long-term growth. As I always say, make sure you do your own research. And that goes for really any investing where you are putting your hard-earned money to work. Thank you so much for checking out our video. If we provided some value, please do us a favor and absolutely destroy that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more Money Made Simple videos. I'm Sean, and I will see you in the next video.